Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you.
Amma, how do you make ghee? Written by Sandhya Taksale. Teena loves ghee on her Puran Poli. Amma, how do we get pure and fresh ghee? From softened white butter. And how do we get butter? By churning sweet and sour curd. And how do we get curd? From rich and creamy milk. And how do we get milk? Kapila, our cow, gives us milk. Why does she give us milk? We give her grass and lots of love. Then we get milk and you get ghee that is pure and fresh. A kitchen is like a science laboratory. Many physical and chemical changes take place when we cook. Milk can become a lot of yummy things. How do you like your milk? The end.